my name is Evan, and in this video I'm going to demystify the differences between data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. Before we begin, a good place to start is to understand what it takes for companies to work with data. Imagine an iceberg, and the tip of the iceberg, or the top 20%, is what users would see. Things like dashboards, reports, data sets for machine learning, and data science. But when it comes to building data systems for companies, 80% of the work is below the surface, the data preparation work. That's things like loading and transforming data, managing data infrastructure and resources, things that usually requires a bit of software engineering skills. Now that you have this picture in mind, it's easier to understand the three roles of a data team. The data analyst role requires strong business and data thinking to develop metrics, insights, reports, and dashboards for business teams to use in their work. Analysts would have a good knowledge of business intelligence tools and have skills like SQL, R, and even Python. The data engineer usually comes from a software engineering background and would be managing the data infrastructure and building it up, setting up pipelines to extract, load, and transform data. They are the ones that set up the data systems which the data analysts and scientists work with. The bulk of the data preparation problem below the surface. And finally, the data scientists are the ones who are strong in statistics and building algorithms. They are even more effective if they have a good grasp of some data engineering. Their goal is often to figure out problems around prediction and optimization. And the best ones would know how to make their solutions machine and production ready and easily automated. If you're a new startup, you probably want to get your data engineering sorted first. That way you have your data infrastructure and systems set up and ready for your data analysts and scientists when you finally hire them. There's also a misconception that data analysts are a step before data scientists. These roles require very different skill sets. In fact, increasingly, we find that there tends to be more overlaps between these different roles and crossovers between data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts. With the right internal platform, you can develop a lean DevOps type setup for your data team so that they can work with high autonomy yet high alignment. So do you agree with our breakdown of the roles of a data team? Let us know what you think and hit subscribe to get updates for our next videos. We're going to be talking about all things related to data teams, so stay tuned. See you soon.